You may have heard of a 1993 movie named Jurassic Park. The premise of the film is that dinosaurs are brought back to life by cloning them using preserved DNA samples. The film was certainly a success, but that story is science fiction, with a lot more emphasis on the fiction than the science. Until recently. Well, you don't need to worry about getting stuck behind a Flintmobile during your commute anytime soon. Scientists are looking to bring back an animal believed to be extinct, the Tasmanian tiger. For a little background here, the Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine, is a carnivorous marsupial that is believed to have gone extinct when the last specimen in captivity died in 1936. Although there have been potential sightings in the wild since then, link in the description. The species wasn't officially declared extinct until 1986, due to rules at the time requiring 50 years to pass since the last credible sighting for an animal to be declared extinct. This may not be the case for long, however, as researchers believe they may have found a way to bring the animal back. Cloning efforts were first proposed back in 1999, just 3 years after Dolly the sheep had the world seeing double, but the scientific community at the time wasn't exactly united in optimism for the project of bringing back the thylacine. However, recently, scientists were able to map the genome of the Tasmanian tiger's closest living ancestor, the numbat, for the purpose of conservation. The two animals share a common ancestor and may share as much as 95% of their DNA. By decoding the genome for the numbat, it's more possible for scientists to reconstruct the thylacine's genetic code. The first draft of the Tasmanian tiger genome came in 2018, but it was incomplete in several areas that researchers hope can be filled by the numbat's genome information. How this would work would be gene editing, using something called CRISPR, clustered, regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats technology, which would essentially just allow scientists to delete or insert genetic material at specific locations. Despite being the animal that may lead to this breakthrough, the Tasmanian devil is actually the more likely candidate to have their DNA used for the returned thylacine than the numbat. Now, this is all easier said than done, but if attempts are successful, researchers believe that since the Tasmanian tiger went extinct from overhunting rather than habitat loss, they will have an easier time surviving and even thriving if they are brought back. So, do you think we'll be able to bring back the Tasmanian tiger? Do you think we should bring back the Tasmanian tiger? Let me know in the comment section below.